Hello. We know our Earth is a planet and it goes around the sun. But Earth is not the only planet in our solar system. There are 7 other amazing worlds, each with its own special personality and cool features. Today, we're going on a tour to learn about the unique characteristics of all 8 planets in our Sun's family. Before we meet them, what makes something a planet? Well, planets are big round objects that travel in a special path called an orbit around a star, in our case, the Sun. They also have to be big enough to have cleared their path of other big space rocks. Now, let's meet our solar system's planets. First up are the 4 planets closest to the Sun. They are smaller and mostly made of rock and metal, just like Earth. First up, Mercury. Mercury is the fastest planet, zipping around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. That means a year on Mercury is super short. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, so its sunny side gets incredibly hot. But its shady side gets freezing cold because it has almost no air to hold in the heat. Mercury is the smallest of the 8 main planets. Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. Its thick, swirling clouds trap the sun's heat like a giant blanket. Venus is about the same size as Earth, so it's sometimes called Earth's sister or twin planet. The clouds on Venus are made up of nasty stuff, and the air pressure is so strong it would crush a spaceship. Earth. This is our amazing planet. It's the only one you know for sure that has life. Earth is covered with lots of liquid water, oceans, lakes, and rivers, which is super important for life. Earth has a breathable atmosphere and temperatures that are just right for us to live comfortably. Next up, Mars. Mars looks reddish because of the rusty iron in its soil. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and a super long canyon called Valles Marianas. Mars is cold and has a thin atmosphere. Scientists think it might have had water a long time ago and are always looking for signs of past or present life. Next up are the giant planets, much farther from the Sun. They are mostly made up of gas and are huge. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. In fact, you could fit over 1,300 Earths inside Jupiter. Jupiter has a famous giant storm called the Great Red Spot, which is bigger than Earth and has been raging for hundreds of years. Jupiter has dozens of moons. Some are even bigger than the planet Mercury. Saturn is famous for its spectacular, beautiful rings. These rings are made up of billions of pieces of ice, rock, and dust. Saturn is a gas giant, so it's light for its size. In fact, if you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would actually float in the water. Like Jupiter, Saturn also has a big family of moons. Finally, we have the ice giants, the farthest and coldest planets. They're made of gas too, but they also have lots of icy materials. Uranus is unique because it's tilted way over on its side. It looks like it's rolling around the Sun instead of spinning like the other planets. Uranus also has a beautiful blue-green color because of the gases in its atmosphere. The planet is very cold and also has faint rings and many moons. Last up is Neptune. Neptune is the windiest planet in our solar system with super fast winds. Neptune is a stunning deep blue color also because of the gases in its atmosphere. Neptune is the farthest main planet from the Sun, making it incredibly cold. Neptune also has some faint rings and several moons. Wow, so you can see every planet in our solar system is special and different. Some are small and rocky, like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Some are huge and gassy, like Jupiter and Saturn. And some are icy giants, like Uranus and Neptune. They have different temperatures, different sizes, different colors, and some have cool things like rings or giant storms. But they all share one thing in common. They all orbit our amazing sun, making up our wonderful solar system family. Thank you for watching.